Justdiggit is on a mission to regreen African landscapes, using the power of nature to restore degraded land and fight climate change. By implementing nature-based solutions, Justdiggit aims to positively impact the climate, biodiversity, and local communities. NovioQ is an international technology company focusing on delivering robust, scalable, low-code applications. We first crossed paths during the OutSystems Hackathon in 2023, where NovioQ's innovative approach won the prize for developing Greener.land, a key platform to support land restoration efforts. This collaboration marked the beginning of a powerful partnership between Justdiggit, NovioQ, and OutSystems. OutSystems platform enabled rapid innovation and faster development of Greener.land. By leveraging OutSystems low-code capabilities, we were able to create an accessible, user-friendly tool that meets the complex needs of restoration organizations and farmers alike. Greener.land is designed to assist restoration organizations, NGOs, and farmers. Offering tailored regreening techniques based on specific land characteristics, the platform provides step-by-step technical guidance, helping scale restoration efforts globally. Thanks to the collaboration with NovioQ and OutSystems low-code platform, Greener.land now features GreenGPT, an AI-powered tool that delivers real-time, personalized advice for land restoration. This innovation showcases the power of technology and partnerships. By working together, we're scaling regreening efforts and paving the way for a more sustainable future, because regreening is done together.